So we just checked into Sandals Royal Barbados and a little room tour here. We're excited to be staying in our first time ever in a Rondoval room. Rondoval is a word that I just learned this year, and Rondoval means in the round, right? So it's going to be a room that has a complete circular shape, which is wonderful. And there's Jamie luxuriating over there, having a glass of welcome champagne. And then here's our bed area. So behind where I just came from is the bathroom and the bed, and a little living room here, and so that's really nice. And we just checked in with our butlers, and this is kind of the highlight of our room. We have our own feature backyard pool. Plan to come outside and show you, come out this sort of main door into the backyard. We have an outdoor tub, which is going to be beautiful. Look forward to that. It's raining a little bit right now, so I'll just show you. Look at that, you can just jump right in. Here's the door I just came out of. Walk down into the pool. Beautiful little backyard. And over here, yeah, just definitely there. I'll be having breakfast tomorrow. So that's our room, guys, and we're excited to be here for another 3 nights at Sandals Royal Barbados. So we'll talk to you soon.